Well, we're back, everybody, and in this video we're going to be putting some Lucky Buck out and a reveal tactacam. Let's get right into it. As you can tell, it's raining right now, so we're going to get soaked. We only got like 30 minutes of daylight, and we got to walk all the way to the top of that mountain up there, so we got to hurry. But we do got lots, so that's good. Whew. And this road. Oh gosh, and it looks like it gets thick again up here. That sucks. Because it's already thick down through there. Well, it's not, actually, it don't look too bad. We'll be able to get around it. Trying to look for a flat spot. Just put the camera. They're staying down there, waiting on us. Me and my dad. Go try and find a flat spot. Okay, we're going down the mountain. Oh, you just fall. I just fell. It's slick. We gotta be careful going down. Very slick. It's been raining for a while now. Probably about, I don't know, a few hours. Clearing some trees out. Found a road. We're driving at it. So we're clearing some trees out. Okay, we're trying to find a flat now to put the camera on and the Lucky Buck. That's what we're looking for now. And then once we find a flat, we're gonna hang the camera there and see what's in the area. Shut it off. Think we found a flat to put the camera and the Lucky Buck. We find one? There's also a deer path right here coming up on it, and they can go down it. So I don't know. I think this is the spot. Is this the spot? Getting ready to dump it out. We found the spot.
You want to do the honors?
No.
Want me to film you doing?
I'm good. You dump it.
Sand?
Sand. Zane, is that sand?
What do? Hang this from the tree? Mm-mm. That's the back number. Please, Zane.
Oh yeah. It's 9:50 at night, and we're out here putting Lucky Buck and a trail camera out. We're putting it on that tree right there. You think that's sand, buddy?
Yes, I do.
He said it looks like sand. You actually should be able to see. Yeah, it has a screen. So we'll have to figure that out once we get it on. So we know how it's looking.
I bet we've worried back, you think?
No.
Okay. The camera's searching for the signal. Okay, we got the camera taking pictures. So we're good. Ready to leave. It's like 10:15 at night right now. So, and we're in the mountains. Pretty late to be in the mountains. Dark.
We'll never find our way back up.
Well, we made it home safe. But that is going to do it for this video. Got some Lucky Buck out and a reveal tactacam. We was out there till like 10:15, and we just now got home. It's 11:30 now. But if you're not subscribed already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and also make sure to hit that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.